I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack, baby.
Good morning, lovely friends. So, as in my previous video where I gave you all an introduction to my garage, I told you all that I will be describing and mentioning about each car, bike, or scooter specifically. So, I decided to start with the Santro. As you would see at the start of the video, I have driven today to Lonavala. I hope you enjoy the scenery in the opening showcase of the video. So, this is a 2005 model Santro. I have put upfront HJG fog lamps. I have removed the lens. Currently it comes with a yellow lens. I will showcase the light prowess in the evening when it's dark, with the cover and without the cover. Now, talking about the front here, this is orange reflective piping. So the reason why it's reflective piping, I put orange reflective piping, is in case when driving, oncoming traffic will still be able to see my car. My car will still be visible to the traffic which is coming. So I have this orange piping right in the full front bumper here, starting from the front on the mirror here and going up right up to the rear on the rear bumper as well, on the tailgate. So in case my tail lights also fail, my car will still be visible to traffic coming from the rear. Another thing is I've put white color Onyx mag wheels, and the upholstery I've put a sober mix of grey and rather dark grey and an off-white shade probably. So the orange piping is as well on this side. This side mirror is matte black with orange. I decided to have a different color on the left side mirror to have it to give it a funky look. Coming to the interior of the car, this car came with power windows in the front, so you can see on the driver side there is the power window switch for the driver side and the passenger side, and the passenger side has one switch as well. Now this car also has been fitted with a reverse camera, as you can see. So this car never came with central locking, but I have fitted remote central locking, this, as you can see. So if anyone opens the car with a key, the buzzer will go off. Coming to the engine bay of the car. Now you guys must be wondering why the color of this car is orange. Just for your information, this color is Carrera Orange, the code. I had to, what happened was there was a lot of water leaking into my passenger cabin from the cowl panel. So this whole cowl panel has been replaced and the firewall has been redone completely. To do this work, the mechanic, they had to remove the complete engine, wheels, everything. So the whole engine bay was stripped to bare naked. And I will be putting these pictures on my Instagram account, so the pictures of the car being done up can be viewed there. So this whole car was done up in the front from scratch. Now there's no water leaking, nothing. So it's done up perfectly fine. And another thing what I want to tell you about hatchback cars and SUVs is that if any one of you all are buying a hatchback or an SUV, always buy a car with a rear wiper. I'll tell you why. Always buy a car with a rear wiper is because in the monsoon time, what happens is monsoon spray and slush gather up on the tailgate, on the rear windscreen. So when driving, changing lanes, it becomes difficult. And also, even when doing a simple thing as parking or reversing your car, at times if you do not have a reverse camera, it becomes difficult to view what's behind you. So if any of you guys do ever plan to buy a hatchback or SUV, I would suggest you always try and buy a car with a rear wiper. It will make a hell lot of difference. Well, that's about it with regards to my Santro Xing. And I hope you love this short video of my introduction to my car. If you have any more questions regarding my maintenance of the car or this car, you can shoot out comments to me in the comment section, or you can ping me on my Instagram account, both of which will be mentioned in the description of the video below. And in the night, as I mentioned earlier, I will show you the prowess of the fog lights with the lens cover, the yellow lens cover, and without the lens cover. This is with the normal driving lights, low beam. This is high beam, and now I'll be putting with the AJG fog lights. So you can see there's a massive difference when the fog lights are on. So you can see right now both of them do not have the fog lens on. Now I'm going to put the fog lens on one of them. Just give me a moment. So this one here has the fog lens. This one doesn't have the fog lens. Now I'm going to show you the lighting, and you can take a call for yourself and see how good they are. So these are HJG. So right now I'm going to turn the lights on. You can have a look. I'm going to get out of the car. So the left one is without the fog lens on, and the right one is with the fog lens on. There you are. Fog lens on, and the white one is with the fog lens off. So I hope you like this video on the introduction of my Santro Xing 2005 model. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell on the right hand side for further notifications. Thank you very much.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back, I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact, give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back.